Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So in today's video, I have something very interesting and a useful product to show you all. No, it's not this router, it's something very different. So a lot of you people use budget routers at your home, right? And I'm sure you guys might have faced problems like poor Wi-Fi signal strength or low connection speeds. Well, that's very common with budget routers and can be really annoying sometimes. The reason for that is these budget routers have very limited Wi-Fi range and speeds. But don't worry guys, I'm here to help you. I have an awesome product using which you can double or even triple your Wi-Fi speeds and range. Yes, I'm not joking, even I didn't believe at first, but after using it, I was convinced that this thing really works and is very effective. It's the world's first universal non-electrical Wi-Fi amplifier and is made by this company called Zeus. And the model of the product is Zeus Pro. So here it is guys, Zeus Pro non-electrical Wi-Fi amplifier. You guys might have already known about Wi-Fi amplifiers or repeaters, right? But this thing is completely different. Unlike them, it doesn't require any sort of power to run and is very easy to use, just plug and play. It's also universal, that means it works with any kind of router. As you can see over here, it says it's the ultimate wireless network solution, and we've also got a picture of the product on the front. Okay, let's see what's written on the box packing. It comes in this simple box and says Wi-Fi amplifier over here. It's actually a passive Wi-Fi amplifier. Alright, at the back side we've got the details of this product. As you can see, this is how you need to connect the Zeus Pro to your router. It's very easy guys, I'll show you the complete installation process as well as tell you how this thing works in this video. Okay, let's unbox it and check out the product. So on opening the box, we've got some documents at the top. Let me show you. You've got a user manual and a quick start guide. Make sure to read them for all the info on the product. Keeping them aside, let me show you the actual product. So here they are guys, Zeus Pro Wi-Fi amplifiers. Yep, these are what I was talking about. They're just two simple pieces of metal plates. But they're not just any other plates guys, they're metal reflectors and can really do wonders. They've got a parabolic design entirely made of metal and feel very lightweight in the hand. So what these parabolic metal reflectors do is, they collect the Wi-Fi signal coming out of the router's antenna and focus it within 180 degrees towards the place you choose. You can set it to whichever angle you want. Along with them, we also get some clips in the box. These clips are made of plastic so they don't interfere with the signal that is being reflected from the parabolic metal plates. You just need to attach these clips to the metal plates and then you'll be able to fix them to your router. Fixing them is super simple. Let me just give you a demo on the installation procedure. The process is very simple guys. All you need to do is just align this plastic clip with the back of the metal frame and slide them in those grooves. And that's it, we fix the clip to the plate. The position is also fully adjustable. You can set it to wherever you want to match the desired antenna. So that is how you install these clips on the reflectors. It's a universal product and is compatible with almost every kind of router. Okay, now let me show you how to fix these parabolic reflectors to your router. So the first thing you need to do is check which type of antenna the router has. The router on my desk has an antenna with a round shape, so it goes in this slot over here. Just push it down like this to fix it. Also make sure that the Zeus Pro is located at the middle of the antenna to get the best possible results. So like this, also fix the second one. And that's it guys, your Wi-Fi router just got a new upgrade and is all ready to be used. What these parabolic metal reflectors do is, they collect the Wi-Fi signal and focus it within 180 degrees in the forward direction. It eliminates unnecessary blind spots and also increases the Wi-Fi coverage in the desired position by up to 2 to 3 times. Let me just give you guys an example. Suppose you place the router at a corner of your home. What happens is a router usually spreads the signal evenly in all the directions. But these budget routers don't have high range and can't cover the other end of your home. In those cases, when you use these parabolic metal reflectors, it collects and focuses all the signal in the forward 180 degree direction or whichever angle desired by you. And the result is the Wi-Fi range as well as the speeds both get doubled or even sometimes tripled. So that is how this product works. To show you people if this thing really works, let's just put it to a test. What we'll do is we'll run some speed tests with and without the reflectors and see if there's any improvement. Let's get started. So first what I'll do is I'll do a Wi-Fi speed test without the Zeus Pro Wi-Fi amplifier and show you the result. By the way, we're doing this test on the first floor and the router is also placed on the same floor. Let's run a speed test and see. I'm using Act Fibernet's 100 Mbps plan, and as you can see on this budget router, we are getting only around 50 to 60 Mbps of the max download speeds, that too when we are at the same floor where the router is placed. Now that's because the Wi-Fi signal is scattered in all the unwanted directions and most of that gets wasted. Now let's do the same test again, but this time we'll be using Zeus Pro Wi-Fi amplifier. Okay, here we go. As you can see, we are connected to the same network and we are still at the same spot. Now let's see if those parabolic reflectors really work and do as they say. Oh wow, you see that? We can definitely see an improvement in the Wi-Fi speed. We are almost seeing 15 to 20 Mbps of increased speed compared to the previous test. So yes, these parabolic metal reflectors do work and definitely improve the Wi-Fi speeds. So this was the test done when the router was placed on the same floor. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the ground floor and see if there's an improvement in the Wi-Fi range and speed over there. Okay, so just like before, we'll be doing the speed test with and without the Zeus Pro amplifier. As you can see guys, the Wi-Fi signal strength is very less on the ground floor and we are getting an average download speed of only around 6 Mbps. There's a lot of loss in the signal. That's because the range of these budget routers is very limited. And this is the sole reason why people buy expensive powerful routers. Now what we'll do is we'll do one more speed test, but this time we'll be using the Zeus Pro Wi-Fi amplifier and see if there's any improvement. There you go, you guys see the difference? We're getting way better download speeds compared to the previous test. To be precise, the Wi-Fi speed has been increased by almost 2 to 2.5 times. And not only the speed guys, you can even see in the status panel that the Wi-Fi range has also been doubled. We can see a huge difference with and without those parabolic reflectors. So like this, using two simple metal plates, you can double or even sometimes triple your Wi-Fi speed as well as coverage on your existing router at a very reasonable price. I was pretty impressed by the results. So that was my video on the Zeus Pro passive Wi-Fi amplifier. It's a very simple product but can double your existing Wi-Fi router speed and coverage in the easiest possible way. The installation is super simple, it's universal and is compatible with any type of router. And the best part is it's very affordable. It costs only around 650 rupees. And yes, it does work as I've shown in the video. So that was it for today. Hope you all liked the video and got to see something new. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.